Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 real numbers from 10th class mathematics. Here we are going to use the Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 900 and 270. Here we see 900 and 270. So divide this 900 by 270. So we get the quotient as 270 into 3 is the quotient here, and 90 is the remainder. So 270 into 3 plus 90, we get 900. Now divide this 270 by 90. Whatever remainder we get, we have to divide it with that. So 90 into 3 plus 0 is 270. So therefore 90 is the HCF, that is the highest common factor. Coming to the second problem, 196 and 38,220. If we divide 38,220 by 196, we get 196 into 195 plus remainder is 0. That is 196 into 195. 195 here is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. So 196 is the HCF, that is the highest common factor. Next problem is 1651 and 2032. So divide this 2032 by 1651, that is 1651. So 1651 into 1, that is 1 is the quotient and 381 is the remainder. Now 1651 we have to take and then divide it by 381. So we get 381 into 4 plus 127. It is the remainder. So 381 now divided by 127. The remainder, whatever previous step we got, we are going to divide it. So 127 into 3 is the quotient and remainder is 0. So 127 is the HCF, that is the highest common factor of 1651 and 2032. Coming to the second problem, use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. So let any odd integer be 31. Like suppose we are taking example 31. 31 equals to 6 into 5 plus 1. So 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31. So we get, if we are taking 6q plus 1, we got this property solved. Now if we are taking this number 93, so 93 is equals to 6 into 15 plus 3, that is 90 plus 3. Now we got this one solved, 6q plus 3. It is solved here. 6 into 15 plus 3, that is 90 plus 3 is 93. So what we are saying here, use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So where q is some integer. So we are taking something here, some integer here, and we are given example of 31, which is 6q plus 1. And we have taken 93, which is 6q plus 3. Here we have taken another one, 71, which is 6q plus 5. Here q value is 11. If we take 71, it is 6 11s are 66. 66 plus 5 is 71. So we have proved all the three here, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So we have shown that any positive integer is of the form odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Now the third problem is use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. So let 3 be the positive integer. So 3 square is 9. And if we take 13 square, that is 169. And 4 square is 3 into 5 plus 1, that is 3p plus 1. So here p value is 5. If we take 16, it is 3 into 5 plus 1, that is we have proved 3p plus 1. Now if we take 9 square, that is 81. So that is equal to 3 into 27. 8 square is 64, that is 3 into 21 plus 1. So we have proved here 3p, and here we have proved 3p plus 1. Coming to the fourth problem, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here 3 square is 27, that is 9 into 3, that is equals to 9m. M equals to 3. 4 cube is 64, that is 9 into 7 plus 1, that is 9 sevens are 63 plus 1, 64. 5 cube is 125, that is 9 into 13 plus 8, 117 plus 8 is 125. So we have proved 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So what is it saying? Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So we have proved all the three. One is 9m plus 1. This is 9m plus 8. Coming to the fifth problem, show that one and only one out of n plus 2. Coming to the fifth problem, show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. Suppose n equals to 9, it is divisible by 3. N plus 2, it is 9 plus 2, 11, it is not divisible by 3. N plus 4, that is equal to 13, is not divisible by 3. So let n equals to 31, it is not divisible by 3. N plus 2, 33 is divisible by 3. N equals to 37 is not divisible by 3. N plus 2, 37 plus 2, 39 is divisible by 3. So let n equals to 34, it is not divisible by 3. N plus 2, 34 plus 2, 36 is divisible by 3. So n equals to 35, it is not divisible by 3. So n plus 4, 35 plus 4, 39, it is divisible by